Again, very welcome to the All at One, FFPMD broadcasting channel. And in the previous lecture, we have talked about the statement of some known persons about research. And in this here, I am going to start the same topic, that is a statement given by some renowned persons. And here I am starting with the statement given by Maharishi Jaipakashivar Gupta, who is the disciple of Maharishi Kanad, and it will be in Hindi. उनके अकॉर्डिंग टू हिम शोध ज्ञान का वह पंख है जो मनुष्यों को देवताओं की तरफ ले जाने के लिए आधार प्रदान करता है. That is, research is the bird's fan, which provides base for him to go towards the gods, heavens. Now the next statement given by S.M. Mulan. I always prefer to try to imagine new possibilities rather than merely to follow specific lines of reasoning or make concrete calculations. Some have this trait to a great extent than others, but imagining new possibilities is more trying than pursuing calculation and cannot be continued for too long a time. Next is by Kathleen Lonsdale. My own research life has been greatly enriched by having been broken into by periods of enforced change. I was not idle when I had my 3 children from it, but it gave me the opportunity of standing back, as it were, and looking at my work, and I came back with new ideas. Again, the next statement is, my advice to young women and students: don't quit, muddle through, get your union card, PhD. If you want to do research, don't think you can't succeed. If you are not first in your class, or even in the middle or even below that, you will increase your competence as you go along. Vera C. Rubin. This statement was given by Vera C. Rubin. Again, the next statement is by Johra Ven Lakhtar. My advice to young women scientists: to preserve, to love work, and to love to do good work, to be independent, to be scientifically honest, and to embrace your ambition, all the while respecting culture and responsibility to your family. Knowledge and know-how are the way of liberty and equality. Neither gender nor religion nor age will stand as a barrier to research. So these are the some statement of for research given by some known persons, and with this I would like to end this lecture here.